Just like Minnesota's government leaders and community pillars, members of the Manufactured and Modular Home Association of Minnesota are always thinking about ways to build a better future for our citizens, especially when it comes to providing affordable homes that are built to last. That's why we are deeply committed to providing quality-designed, efficiently constructed, affordable homes to Minnesotans from all walks of life. Now more than ever, the members of the association are committed to working with policymakers to make sure the dream of homeownership remains within the reach of all Minnesotans. In Minnesota, there are nearly 100,000 families residing in modular and manufactured homes, representing 3.6% of all occupied homes in the state. There are good reasons why so many people in Minnesota, from young families just starting out to downsizing retirees, choose factory-built housing because it provides the most attainable combination of quality and affordability. Today, increasingly many of our neighbors are choosing factory-built homes because they fit so beautifully into the character of the surrounding neighborhood. It's hard to distinguish between a site-built home or one of today's factory-built homes. From day one, every manufactured or modular home is an eco-friendly build, constructed in an efficient, climate-controlled environment away from the elements, with a streamlined building process designed to reduce waste and keep costs low. After arriving at its final destination, whether located in Greater Minnesota or a suburban urban setting, complete with sidewalks and landscaping, factory-built homes have been expertly crafted to use less energy, up to 50% less, all while being easily upgraded with a range of Energy Star appliances to greatly reduce the home's carbon footprint. Customizations of all shapes and sizes are also available through the factory-built construction process, from high-pitched roofs to granite countertops. There are no other homes on the market today marrying personalization and affordability so seamlessly, ensuring that manufactured and modular houses can fit in wherever a person's lifestyle takes them. What's more, thanks to the federally mandated HUD building code, along with the Minnesota State Building Code, manufactured and modular homes are strictly regulated for safety, security, and durability. Manufactured homes are not only required to meet national building regulations set by HUD, but they also undergo rigorous testing to ensure they can stand up to local severe weather, like heavy rains and extreme temperatures. In fact, a 2014 study found that factory-built homes not only perform as well as their site-built counterparts in severe weather, but often outperform them. And while market values continue to soar, the average price for a manufactured home has remained reasonable at nearly $215,100 less than site-built counterparts in Minnesota. Fannie Mae anticipates that affordability will remain an issue for the next decade. A 2020 Fannie study found that nationally the average cost of a new site-built home is $300,000, with a comparable manufactured home costing nearly $100,000 less, ensuring there's still the most affordable, unsubsidized housing in our state. Because just like you, watching neighborhoods grow, communities flourish, and people thrive is the reason we get up in the morning and why we are devoted to providing high-quality, affordable homes to the most people possible. Join us today in building a Minnesota where the dream of personalized, wallet-friendly home ownership is within reach for generations to come. After all, what homes are as adaptable as factory-built for meeting the diverse needs of Minnesotans?